Hello, hello, EDU 6002. This is Dr. Kleinsteiber, and I'm going to go over the Iris field work hour modules. I had to modify these because they weren't that clear, and I was getting a lot of questions, and the submissions were not the same thing. So I apologize for the confusion. I did not create this online platform on Canvas. The Point Loma University did that, Nazarene University did that. And then I just was asked to teach the class. So as we go through, we're finding some glitches and some errors and some inconsistencies. So we're fixing those, and I apologize for that. But I do appreciate for those of you who have emailed me or contacted me with your questions and also corrections of errors that you have found as we go through this course. So just bear with us, and we will get through this together. So I'm going to show you the changes I made here. So each week, this is week 2. I haven't changed week 1 because everybody submitted. Most people have submitted that, and I'm not asking you to go and change anything. And I'm just going to, going forward, have you do it this way, and I will take into account that it was unclear the first week. So you're going to click on the same thing as you did the first week, and going forward the same thing, and go to the Iris modules here. But 2, I changed this part. Is the same part 2 is you're going to complete the 5-step module. But here I've changed, you're going to use the module outline to take notes. So the previous way it was written was that you're going to take notes and submit those. So some people took notes in various ways, and some people found this module outline on Iris and used that. I want you to use that because it's a very good format. And that way it's all the same, and it's easier for me to grade because people are submitting the same thing. So once you do that, you're able to download that and submit these. Okay, you're going to download them and then upload them here to this assignment, and each week going forward. And then 3, you're going to submit your responses to step 5. So step 5 is the assessment of the Iris, and we're going to look at all that. And you're going to submit that here. I am going to show you that one is not a document you can write in. I don't know why they made this one a writable document and the assessment not a writable document, but I'm going to show you a way that I would like you to do it, submit it if you can. Okay, and then if you have any questions, you're going to watch this video, and that's a video that we're making right now. This is actually a video that I did make, but then I found out I didn't share my screen properly, so some of the stuff didn't, so I'm remaking the video now again. So let's go ahead and go to the Iris module. Okay, so here it talks about the 5. These are the 5 steps right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so but here's what I'm talking about, the module outline. Previously, we said notes. So some people found this, but for those that didn't, this is what I want you to do to take your notes as you go through. So you can open this up. I'll give you another tab. So you have 2 tabs. You have the tab here, so you can go through and do the 5 steps. And here, you can use this. This is the Universal Design module, and it's going to give you a really good step-by-step, okay, as you go through it, where you can put your notes, and then tells you exactly some prompts here. See, that you can make sure that you're getting the information from the module. See, and this, like I said, if writer, you can go in here and you can write, right in this document. Okay, then once you're done that, okay, so, and you can toggle back and forth as you complete to put your notes here, okay? Then, as you can see up here, you can download this. So then you can just download this as a PDF, a portable document format, PDF, which is my preferred format for your submissions, and you save it, and then you can upload it back to Canvas at the assignment. Okay. Then let's go to this part right here. Submit your responses to step 5 in the Iris modules assessment. So you can see I'm having my, you can't see it, but I'm having problems with my control bar. Okay, so here is step 5. So after you do all these, you complete your notes, and you can also then use these notes too if you keep it open to help you complete this assessment. Okay, so here's the assessment, and it gives you exactly what it asks you, as you can see, and the little bars. So, but this you cannot write in. It's not a write-up. You cannot, and you can go down here and download it as a PDF, but it doesn't download as a fillable PDF. So that doesn't help you. So what I found that you can do is you can copy this. Okay. Copy it. And now I'm going to stop my screen sharing because this is where my last video got messed up because I didn't switch what screen I was sharing, so you couldn't see what I was sharing. So I'm going to do this. I think, let's double check, see if it works. Okay, so this is where I had, this is how it copied into here, and I'll show you. This is what I did on my previous video, but I'm gonna show you again. So this is just a Word document that I have open. So hopefully your word processing program will work as well as this did. So then I just pasted it in. And it's not perfect formatting, but look, it's pretty good, and you can write in here. So then you can go ahead and complete the assessment this way. Here, that's the picture that didn't copy over. So I get rid of that, and it actually fixed the format a little bit. So you see, it's not perfect, but it actually is pretty good that you can see the writing prompts right here, exactly what it wants you to do. You can write in here. And that way, this way, you don't forget to answer any questions or respond to any of the writing prompts that it has for you. Okay, and I recommend you do this with all your assignments. Copy the questions and paste it into whatever word processing document you're going to use to answer, so that you don't forget. I'm not just for this assignment, again for other assignments, because I found that some people are forgetting when I go to grade to answer all the questions in each assignment. So it's really a good rule of thumb to copy from anything from the assignment and have it in the document you're writing in, so you can refer back to it. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing the screen here. Oh, so I was going to say, so then once you answer this, then save this as a PDF. I usually put things that I'm going to submit on my desktop so I can find them, and then I throw them. If I don't need them, I trash them or put them in the appropriate file. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to go back to the other screen. The Iris module we just left. Okay, so hide these floating things. Okay, so, and then you would submit that here. Again, you upload that PDF assessment here. So if there's any more questions, you can email me. There also, again, I'd like to remind you, in each week, there's an Ask Your Instructor. I need to get better at looking at these, but I go here first, usually for each week, because there might be a question that somebody else has already asked. So look at here. See, I need to look at all this. See, yeah. If I don't get to this, I apologize, but email me. I check the email several times a day, and we'll get back to you for sure. Okay, so I hope that clears this up and makes this fieldwork assignments more doable for you. Okay, everybody take care and stay safe.